We're running, so we're going a long way down it. Keep walking.
So here is a cabin tour of cabin 15628 on Arvia. It's on deck 15. It's a standard balcony cabin with the bed near the window. Let's have a look. So here's the bed, pretty standard. They got a nice decent sized seating area. The sofa's actually pretty big. Then you've got decent amount of storage, big mirror, usual gubbins. I'm not going to go into all the cupboards because really who wants to see that? I certainly don't. And then we've got a, oh hang on, let me just put this in here. Why didn't I do that? There we go, that's better. Anyway, here is the bathroom. Pretty decent size, light on. Shower's alright, not too shabs. It's got a glass door, which is always a bonus, and a clothes hanger, clothes line even. And then we have the balcony. Let's head out that way. Got a lovely view of Southampton. Door open. Oh, actually, I've just locked it. Hang on, what am I doing? I'm going to open this. There we go. Lovely view. It's a nice shelter balcony. Perfect for bad weather. Decent size. Loads of space. Not too bad. And there's me, hello. Yeah, there's a tour of my room for the next week.